Parrot on the tree with his haircut like a monkey. What you gonna do when he comes for you? Gonna take his wings, slap it on the face and on the ass like a gangster in the hood. But the bigger one, take a big boss, they call him like that. So once a bird slap his ass too. Then he took his big wing, knocked that shit out like a gangster in the hood. What you gonna do when he comes for you? When he gonna take his wing, slap it on the face and on the ass like a gangster in the hood. But the bigger one, the big boss, they call him that too. So once a bird slapped his ass too, and then he took his wing, slapped that bitch out like a gangster in the hood. What you gonna do when he comes for you too? Like a gangster in the hood.
Once again in the shower, in the tail, let me add this too. I'm gonna show off to my big socks too. Never care what you think for a big Parrot is big and he's strong as fuck. What you gonna do when he comes for you too? What you gonna do when he comes for you too?
Big parrot on the tree, sitting like a gangster. Style is bigger than your dick. He's sitting on the tree with his hair cut like a monkey. What you gonna do when he comes for you? Gonna take his wings, slapping on the face and on the ass like a gangster in the hood. But the bigger one, the big boss, they call him that. So once a bird slapped his ass too, and then he took his big wing, knocked that bitch out like a gangster in the hood. So what you gonna do when he comes for you too? Gonna take his big wing, gonna slap it on the face, on your balls, and gonna eat your dick, big dick alive.